Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my channel and videos that I share daily. I know you are waiting for my next video. So guys, here you go. Today I'm here again with one of your favorite topic, that is short haircuts and short hair ideas with balayage hair colors. As you know guys, short haircut and short hairstyles are on trending these days. Short haircut ideas are not getting old. In fact, these haircut and these short haircut ideas are on trending and are on fashion these days. All girls are prefer to cut their hair short, and after it they prefer to color them with beautiful fashion color. So guys, I am sharing the beautiful fashion colors with balayage colors. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get one of your favorite or more than one of your favorite color with your favorite haircut and with your favorite hair color. I am sharing all beautiful hair color, fashion color with balayage colors. So guys, let me know which balayage color you select for yourself. Everyone has different personality, has different choice. Everyone know about herself that what will suit to her personality. So I am sharing all kind of hairstyles and haircuts which are on trending, and all kind of beautiful hairstyles and hair colors in this video. You can easily select your favorite hair color and hairstyle, and you can go to your hairstylist and can take this hairstyle and hair color too. You can also let me know that which hairstyle and hair color you select for yourself. And if you like my video, and then you can appreciate me through comment section. You can also give me an idea about next video. I will definitely make videos on your ideas. It will be my first priority and it will be my happiness too. It is my honor when you appreciate me and comment me. Well, if you like the video, then share this to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also can know about the latest fashion which I share daily to my channel. So guys, these haircuts, all kind of girls can adopt it, like job going girls, college going girls, teen girls. These haircut ideas are for all age of girls. So thanks for watching the video. Keep watching, keep supporting and keep sharing the video. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself. Remember me in your prayers. I will be there in next video. So guys, take yourself. Have a great hair day.